In this video, I will show you how to find the style.css file of your WordPress theme. And for the purpose of this example, let's find the style.css file of my active theme, which is called 2021. At first, log into your hosting account, then go to control panel areas such as cPanel, and then look for the file manager. Go ahead and open it. In the file manager, look for the root directory where your WordPress is installed, in my case within the public_HTML folder. Right here, you'll find folders such as WP admin content includes. The folder of interest is WP-content. And then look for the themes folder. And here's the list of themes installed on my site. My active theme is called 2021, and here it is. And right in here, look for the style.css file. It should be at the bottom right here. Let's right click on it and then click on view. And here's the file content. And just a reminder, before making any changes in the file, be sure to have a backup copy. For that, go back to the file manager, right click on the style.css file, and then click on download. It will save a copy to your local computer, so in case something happens, you can always undo the changes. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.